Hi, welcome to this video. Creating custom roles and permissions in Discord involves opening your server settings. So I'm gonna click the arrow here to go back. Now tab your server's name at the very top. Click settings. Scroll a little bit down to find roles. Just tap roles. And you can go ahead and tap the plus button at the very top here to create a role. Okay. Now add the role name. Okay. And the role color. Hit create. And set up permissions. If you want it to be cosmetic, just for like logistics, member, moderator, manager, and basically give permissions. So let's say I want this to be a manager, right? Now all you gotta do now is just add a face to the name, right? So you can name the role, pick a color, and toggle specific permissions on or off, and of course add the member who's gonna be in charge. So consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.